I have a CC148 Cub Cadet cultivator which will start and run at idle, not perfectly smoothly, for a bit but then dies when I pull the accelerator trigger. I replaced all the fuel lines and the primer bulb. I also took the carb apart to check for debris that might have been sucked in. The old fuel line broke, so the fuel was unfiltered for a very short time. Any suggestions would be appreciated.
Hello, there's not much that can be done with those carburetors. Are the fuel lines connected the same way? When you had the carb apart, did you put a fine wire through the brass jet? See picture. If it still doesn't work, the carb would need replaced. If it starts easy and idles, the valves should be fine and it is a carb problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.